Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the first oil change with Mobil 1 Racing 4T and then a K&N filter to replace it. It should be pretty quick and simple. I've never changed the oil on it. It's first one break-in oil change technically. I'm probably gonna get roasted in the comments, but I'm changing it at 900 miles. And yeah, from what I've heard, it's not bad. If you have a different opinion, let me know in the comments. That I messed my bike up, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'll show you guys essentially what you do. So we're just gonna take off the fairings, and we're gonna see also the exhaust got way more blue. If you can see inside, it looks crazy now. So once I take off all the fairings, it's gonna show a lot more. So we'll take off just the lower portions on each side and then get started. So the oil drain is right here. We're gonna turn the bike on, let it run for a little bit, get hot, and then we'll remove this and drain out all the oil. Just let it warm up a bit. Okay, so it's a 17 millimeter socket, and we'll just take it off, see how bad the oil is. Looks pretty damn dark. Actually, it's not too bad. On my hands, it's pretty clear, to be honest. But in the bucket, if I can go down, it's pretty damn black. So we'll let that drain out fully. So this is the filter right here. We're gonna have to twist it off and pray that we don't spill any oil. But let me get it started and then I'll show you. So we took it off. It's leaking literally all down the bike.
all down that little spout. If there is a better way to change the oil without spilling all over the bike, someone in the comments let me know. Maybe there's something you stick in there. I'm not sure, but this is pretty damn shitty to have to wash my whole bike every single time. Okay, so now we can stick in the new K&N filter. It's got, this one's a lot better because it has a little space for a wrench, so you could twist it off with a wrench instead of having to squeeze some tiny tool in there, literally ruin the filter to take it off. So we're gonna take off this plastic, put a little oil around the ring and inside, and we'll stick it in. It's on there tight. I'm going to pour a little bit more oil to try to flush out whatever is remaining from here, and then it'll be a lot cleaner oil sitting in the motor. Just gonna pour a little bit extra in here, and then it'll flush out at the bottom. See, now it's coming out. Now we'll just cap it back up. Don't want to drop this in. Clean it off, and then we'll torque it down. Good. Now let's pour some oil. What we're going to be doing is 3.6 liters of 10W40, and that should top off the bike and be done with the first oil change. So first one going in. All set, just gotta put the fairings back on, which I'll time lapse and then we'll wash all this excess oil off that's spilt.
And yeah, that's basically it. If you like the video, subscribe, follow for more. Let me know what you want to see in other videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.